What's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here at the South Florida DMV with a student that's about to do her driving test. The DMV opens in approximately 32 minutes. So we're going to run through the driving test practice one more time before she does the test. Alright, so they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
So you're uphill, you're going to turn
left.
You're going to turn left away from the curb.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're going to put the car in park, and then you'll pull up the handbrake.
And
what?
Turn off the ignition.
turn off the ignition.
Yeah, they want to hear that. I mean, it sounds very, very elementary and whatnot, but they want to hear that.
Okay.
Alright, so now they're going to tell you to do the turn signal. Signal left.
Left is stop.
Signal right. Blow the horn. Press and release the brake. And they're doing all of that to make sure that the brake lights are working, the turn signal lights are working, the horn's working. They will not take you out in a car if those things are not working. Now, lately they've been doing this thing where they're asking you to turn the wheel to the right, right or left. So turn all the way right. They're going to be checking the tire. As soon as they're done checking the tire, make sure you straighten the wheel, because you don't want to move the car with the wheel turned all the way right or left. Alright, then they're going to get into the car and they're going to tell you to reverse and go to the left. So reverse, and we're going to run through this whole test. So just look behind you and roll slowly out. And you're looking both ways as you back out. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, that's when you're going to be turning. Alright. And look behind you. Alright, that's good. Now we're going to go to the stop sign right there and make a left turn.
Do I have to put it in drive first?
Yeah. But they're not going to tell you that.
I know.
They're going to say, go to the left, make a left, make a right, whatever. They're not telling you how to do anything. Alright, come to a complete stop here. 1, 2, 3. Looking both ways, obviously, and make a left turn. And then we're going to go all the way down to the end of this road to the stop sign. And we're going to make a left turn. Test is fairly simple, right? 1, 2, 3.
If them not ask me a question, if they don't ask me a question, I'll be fine.
That's the only question they're gonna ask you, the one that we talked about.
Oh.
They don't have any other questions. You've taken the written test or whatever question. To be honest, I don't know why they asked that one question, because it's on the written test.
Yeah, it does.
But they are asking it for whatever reason. Alright, so we're making the right turn. Just make sure you go slightly out and make sure your mirror is past the curb before you turn, to avoid hitting the curb with your back wheel. Stay close to the right side here, and they're going to tell you to stop about here. Alright, now speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. And stop. Okay, alright, reverse, straight back. Put it in reverse, straight back. You don't need to press any gas here. Just let it roll.
I keep doing that.
Yeah, just let it roll straight. Alright, stop here. Alright, go back down to the end and make a left turn. Stay close to the right side. gotta park in between these cones. So you come down and you line up your mirror. Go up a little bit more. You already know how to park still, but just for the video, you know, you line up the mirror with the line, the first two poles on the left side, turn all the way left, and just roll into the parking space. As you get to the center, you would straighten up and pull straight in. Alright.
There.
Now we're gonna reverse and go to the left again to do your 3-point turn. So look behind you, roll straight out. When the mirror is past the pole, then you're going to turn all the way to the right. All the way right. And reverse until the mirror again is past the middle of the road right here.
Okay.
Alright, that's good. Put it back and drive. And you're going to pull up next to the line on the right side. Close to it, we can do the 3-point turn. Stop about here. 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn all the way left. Reverse. Don't forget that.
I hope I don't.
But even if you do, if you catch it, it's fine, right? And your mirror is past the middle again this time. Alright, go to the stop sign here and come to a complete stop and make your left turn. 1, 2, 3. Down to the front. I'm gonna show you guys what the DMV line looks like, even though today is not like one of the worst days. But look at this person.
What
like,
is this
really?
guy doing?
Really? Because the people are actually out in the line. Alright, go ahead. See the DMV, they're out here already, right? So we have to go and park up so you can go deal with that. So when you go up there, you tell them, I'll show you the people that have the paper. So you tell them that you three are using the same car, so they know.
Okay.
So whoever they take first, obviously, will have to take the paper and get written up and then pass it on. Make a left here. Parked in between this white car and this gray car. Cool. Put it in park.
Oh.
Don't forget that. Alright, so how you think you did?
Not too bad at all.
Not too bad. I say you did good. How about that?
Well, let's. You see, you can't toot the horn until you get the results.
Well, I mean, we're talking about how you did in the practice. You did great practicing.
The practice was good, yeah.
I believe the driving test will be just as good or better.
Okay.
Unless you overthink it, which I'm pretty sure you won't, right?
No.
So you're really hardy, don't you? Anyway, tell the people to like and subscribe, please.
So Mr. Vernon is a very cool guy. He is very patient because, you know, him deal with a hothead like me. But yeah, you can like, subscribe, and share.
Okay, thank you.
And if you need his services, just give him a call.
Just give me a call.
Yeah.
Yeah, the number is on all of the videos. So if you're in the South Florida area and you need driving lessons, hit me up. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.